So today, I was tasked with figuring out a way to keep our refrigerator closed, because some people open it, don't know how to shut it. So, with the tools I had at hand, I came up with this ingenious idea. Tell me what y'all think. See that little latch? We'll get back to that in a second. Open the door. Pretty good. And release. I'm gonna show you what I did. I put a trailer hose spring in the refrigerator. And watch it shut. And I had to put this latch on right here. Where's it at? There it is. Because the refrigerator door shut so hard, it was kicking the freezer door open. So here's the sign. It said, "Please make sure door is shut when done in fridge. Does not shut on its own." And then somebody wrote, "But now it does." Oh, hope y'all are having as good a day as I am.